It's dangerous. Ain't no parking at the light now. Ain't no staying with us. We keep okay with us. Please don't. Please don't. Please don't play with us. Naka again, Def Sajamban Jasla. Back again with the 5th WOLOF session Jerome. Today we're doing numbers 20 to 50. What I'm gonna do with this video, I'm gonna do 20 to 29, then 30 to 39, and then just give you 40 and 50. Because after that, when you get the 40 and 50, the 1 to 9, self-explanatory. You know what I mean? So I don't need to go all the way down and say every single number. So I'm gonna get in straight into it. First, we got 20, which I did in the last video. So 20 in WOLOF is, there we go, man. There we go. And if you didn't know it, you either need to go back and recap, remember the thing, study harder, or maybe you just haven't seen the vid. So if you haven't, go check that out. 1 to 20. Today we're doing 20 to 50. Let's get straight into it. First, we got 20, NYARRI FUKK. NYARRI FUKK. 20, NYARRI FUKK. Then we got 21, NYARRI FUKK ak bena. NYARRI FUKK ak bena. 21, NYARRI FUKK ak bena. Then you got 22, NYARRI FUKK ak NYARR. NYARRI FUKK ak NYARR. 22, NYARRI FUKK ak NYARR. Then you got 23, NYARRI FUKK ak NYEHTI. NYARRI FUKK ak NYEHTI. 23, NYARRI FUKK ak NYEHTI. Then you got 24, NYARRI FUKK ak NYENENT. NYARRI FUKK ak NYENENT. 24, NYARRI FUKK ak NYENENT. Then you got 25, NYARRI FUKK ak JUROME. NYARRI FUKK ak JUROME. 25, NYARRI FUKK ak JUROME. Then you got 26, NYARRI FUKK ak JUROME-BENA. NYARRI FUKK ak JUROME-BENA. 26, NYARRI FUKK ak JUROME-BENA. Then you got 27, NYARRI FUKK ak JUROME-NYARR. NYARRI FUKK ak JUROME-NYARR. That's 27, NYARRI FUKK ak JUROME-NYARR. Then you got 28, NYARRI FUKK ak JUROME-NYEHTI. NYARRI FUKK ak JUROME-NYEHTI. That's 23, NYARRI FUKK ak JUROME-NYEHTI. Then you got 20. Wait, what did I just say? Did I just say it's 23? That's 28, NYARRI FUKK ak JUROME-NYEHTI. That's 28, NYARRI FUKK ak JUROME-NYEHTI. 28. Then you got 29, NYARRI FUKK ak JUROME-NYENENT. NYARRI FUKK ak JUROME-NYENENT. 29, NYARRI FUKK ak JUROME-NYENENT. Then we go on to 30, which is NYEHTI FUKK. NYEHTI FUKK. 30, NYEHTI FUKK. Then you got 31, NYEHTI FUKK ak 31, NYEHTI FUKK ak bena. NYEHTI FUKK ak bena. That's 31, NYEHTI FUKK ak bena. Then you got 32, NYEHTI FUKK ak NYARR. NYEHTI FUKK ak NYARR. That's 32, NYEHTI FUKK ak NYARR. 33, NYEHTI FUKK ak NYEHTI. NYEHTI FUKK ak NYEHTI. That's 33, NYEHTI FUKK ak NYEHTI. Then you got 34, NYEHTI FUKK ak NYENENT. NYEHTI FUKK ak NYENENT. 34, NYEHTI FUKK ak NYENENT. Then you got 35, NYEHTI FUKK ak JUROME. NYEHTI FUKK ak JUROME. That's 35, NYEHTI FUKK ak JUROME. Then you got 36, NYEHTI FUKK ak JUROME-BENA. NYEHTI FUKK ak JUROME-BENA. 36, NYEHTI FUKK ak JUROME-BENA. Then you got 37, NYEHTI FUKK ak JUROME-NYARR. Wait a minute. No, that's 37, NYEHTI FUKK ak JUROME-NYARR. NYEHTI FUKK ak JUROME-NYARR. 37, NYEHTI FUKK ak JUROME-NYARR. Then you got 38, NYEHTI FUKK ak JUROME-NYEHTI. NYEHTI FUKK ak JUROME-NYEHTI. That's 38, NYEHTI FUKK ak JUROME-NYEHTI. Then you got 39, NYEHTI FUKK ak JUROME-NYENENT. NYEHTI FUKK ak JUROME-NYENENT. That's 39, NYEHTI FUKK ak JUROME-NYENENT. Then you got 40, which is NYENENTI FUKK. NYENENTI FUKK. 40, NYENENTI FUKK. Then you got 50, which is JUROME-FUKK. JUROME-FUKK. 50, JUROME-FUKK. Now when I say 20, 30, 40, you see I say NYARRI FUKK. which is 20, 30, NYEHTI FUKK, 40, NYEHTI FUKK, and 50, JUROME-FUKK. The way I put the E at the end is because it gives it a nice little ring, you know what I mean? Because you can just say NYARR FUKK, NYEHTI FUKK, or you can just say NYEHTI FUKK, but to me the E at the end just adds a little sauce, adds a nice ring to it, you know what I mean? So that's why I say it like that. But that was 20 to 50. It's your boy Njais. Sajambar Njais la. Bebenenyon. Till the next video.